I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your phone. Now, before we continue, you should know that a factory reset will wipe out everything from your phone, all your user data. So all the apps you've installed, all your personal information, everything is going to be removed from the phone. It's going to go back to exactly the way it was when you took it out of the box. Okay, so go to settings. Under settings, go down to general management, tap on that, and then under general management, scroll down to reset, tap on that, and then go to factory data reset, tap on that, and then scroll down, and it will tell you everything that's going to happen when you do a factory data reset, including removing your Google account or even a Samsung account associated with this phone. So tap on reset, enter your password, PIN or pattern, and then confirm you want to reset by tapping on delete all, and that's going to initiate or start the factory reset process. Now, as soon as you tap on that, then the process is going to start, and it's going to take you to the initial setup screen where you can set up your phone like it's a brand new phone. Now, the only reason you're able to do a factory reset is because you have access to the phone, you have your password, your PIN or pattern. Now, if you've been locked out of your phone for some reason and you're not able to, maybe the fingerprint is not working, you can't remember the pattern, and you've been locked out of your phone and you want to reset, then you have to perform a hard reset. Now, that's a whole different video which I'll link down below, so you can go ahead and watch how to hard reset your phone. But as far as a factory reset is concerned, that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.